Ignore this and your CI/CD pipeline fails every Friday afternoon, leaving you to manually intervene and troubleshoot the issues, which could have been avoided by automating infrastructure tasks using AWS Lambda functions. What it does. AWS Lambda is a serverless compute service that allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers, making it ideal for automating DevOps tasks such as triggered deployments, log processing, and automated remediation. With Lambda, you can write and deploy code in a variety of programming languages, including Python, Node, JS, and Java, and have it executed in response to specific events or triggers. Command/example. Breaking it down. In this example, we create a new Lambda function using the AWS CLI, specifying the function name, runtime, execution role, handler, and code location. We then create a new CloudWatch events rule to trigger the Lambda function on a schedule, and add a target to the rule to invoke the Lambda function. The schedule expression parameter specifies the schedule on which the rule will trigger, in this case every day at 8 a.m. The targets parameter specifies the Lambda function to invoke when the rule is triggered. Common mistakes. One common mistake when working with AWS Lambda is to forget to specify the correct execution role, which can lead to permission errors when the function is invoked. Another mistake is to forget to package the function code correctly, which can lead to errors when the function is executed. To fix these mistakes, make sure to specify the correct execution role and package the function code correctly using the AWS CLI or a tool like AWS SAM. Try this next. To automate log processing using AWS Lambda, you can create a new Lambda function that is triggered by CloudWatch logs, and have it process the logs and send notifications or take other actions as needed. For example, you can use the Boto3 library in Python to read logs from CloudWatch and send notifications using Amazon SNS. Pro tip: when building AWS Lambda functions for DevOps automation, it's a good idea to use a tool like AWS SAM to simplify the development and deployment process. AWS SAM provides a set of tools and frameworks that make it easy to build, test, and deploy serverless applications, including Lambda functions. By using AWS SAM, you can avoid common mistakes and ensure that your Lambda functions are properly configured and deployed.